Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain you some of the interesting informations about the Victoria crowned pigeon. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon, to get my video updates regularly. This is our Breathe In Breathe Out channel, keep moving. Victoria crowned pigeons are the largest pigeon species in the world. They are easily recognized by the lacy crest of feathers on top of their heads, which gives them their common name. They are steely blue-gray in color, with deep maroon on their front and striking red eyes. Habitat. The Victoria crowned pigeon is distributed in the lowland and swamp forests of northern New Guinea and surrounding islands. It usually occurs on areas that were former alluvial plains, including sago forests. They are typically found near sea level occasionally. Birds of this species may venture up in the hills to an elevation up to about 3,000 feet. They fly from sea to tree every day. Behavior. Like other crowned pigeons, the Victoria crowned pigeon is a gregarious species. They usually travel in pairs, or small parties as they search for food. They walk with an unhurried gait, along the forest floor. Their food typically consists of fallen fruit. Birds of this species in captivity are particularly fond of eating figs. Seeds and invertebrates may occasionally supplement the diet. When disturbed, these birds fly straight up into the canopy, or a large horizontal branch of a large forest tree. After being disturbed, they may remain on their perch for a considerable time, engaging in contact calls, and flicking their tails. In the wild, this species tends to be shyer than the western crowned pigeon, but can still occasionally be quietly approached. The males regularly engage in aggressive displays to establish dominance. In these interactions, the pigeons puff up their chests and repeatedly raise their wings, as if preparing to strike their opponent. They also make short dashes at each other and may actually hit one another, but rarely make contact and can be completely peaceful towards other males outside the early mating season. Reproduction. When the male displays for the female, he lowers his head down, stretches forward, and then rhythmically swings his head up and down while simultaneously wagging his fan tail. Male and female Victoria crowned pigeons form stable pairs, usually for life. The males have courtship behaviors that involves bowing of their head, and moving their tail. The female usually lays one egg each time, and both the male and female incubate the egg for around 30 days. The juveniles leave the nest at 4 weeks old, but the parents continue to feed them for another 9 weeks. Victoria crowned pigeons are one of the few bird species that have the unusual ability to produce milk. Both the male and female can produce crop milk, and this forms the complete diet of the nestlings during their first few days of life. Adult Victoria crowned pigeons feed on the forest floor in groups of 2 to 10 individuals. They eat fallen fruit, berries, and seeds. Status and conservation. The Victoria crowned pigeon is now the most rarely occurring of the 3 crowned pigeon species in the wild, although it is the most widely kept species in captivity. Perhaps the most pressing threat to the species is continuing habitat loss due to logging. It is now quite uncommon near human habitations because it is heavily hunted around them, particularly in areas where gun possession is prevalent. It can be quite tame and easily shot. They are now seems to be fearful of humans in the wild. Most hunting is for its plumes and meat. Trapping of pigeons to be kept alive for captive collections is now illegal, but is still likely to be occurring. Victoria crowned pigeons are classified by the IUCN as near threatened. They have been downlisted from vulnerable, as hunting has declined. However, the population is still decreasing because they are losing their habitat to logging and the development of palm oil plantations. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon, to get my video updates regularly. This is our Breathe In Breathe Out channel, Keep moving.